Lisa. You are being evicted. Damn Spider-Man. 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 Keeps building a fucking nest. I need him to stop.
A nest? Did you say he keeps building a nest?
A web. A Weber. Dr. Weber.
I know I've been dissing, I'm hustling like the Vando. Big body jelly, I'm sorry when I've been through.
We came to Georgino's. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're filming another vlog. I've been feeling sick these past few days. I feel like shit, to be honest. But we came out to get some cheesesteaks. Last time I had filmed a vlog and it was our first time coming here and I had vlogged it for you guys and everything. My dumbass deleted the footage. So we came out to a little park with a nice little view. The weather is perfect, man. I ended up getting the works, so it's steak, onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, and American cheese, and then I added extra cheese. I added Cheese Whiz. We also got some onion rings with some regular ranch. Last time we tried their spicy ranch, and it wasn't all that. I didn't really care for it, so we got regular ranch this time. Oz ended up getting the chicken mushroom, grilled onions, and he added extra Cheese Whiz, just like I did. So we about to fuck this up. You can actually see where SeaWorld is. A couple of their rides. Nice ass view though. Oh, that's what I love about living out here. So many of these. Let's talk about the purse that I made though.
You're recording already?
Isn't it so cute? I made this.
Waiting for pairing.
Yin and yang. Cute handle. So I found this this YouTube channel. I forgot what his name is. I'll link it down below. But he has like a bunch of like free patterns. And this one had popped up. And I just thought it was so cute. I just love the yin and yang, like black and white, because of the cats. It just reminds me of them. So I made it. I also added wire because like the pattern asks that you use wire. So it makes it a little sturdier. But I did not do the greatest job, as you can see. Some of the wires still poking out. So yeah, this is the first one though. I just recently started teaching myself how to crochet. I've been like into like trying new hobbies lately. So my mom used to crochet. She was like, you should try it out. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna try it. So tried it, and this is what I made. Feels like Venice. Feels like I'm home. So this is how the bag looks from top view when I'm holding it. I'm obsessed. All right, fit check with the ones that I got him. All right, fit checkity check in my sunglasses.
Skis.
He never brings his own.
I always forget.
Cokes from Mexico in the glass bottle. They just hit different, man. So we got home a couple hours ago. We were just resting, just chilling. But we're about to go to the gym. It's 8:30 right now, so I'm about to get ready. I'm about to change really quick. Now I'm gonna just use a clip for my hair. But I don't like to leave my hair down. Like I don't like to leave pieces out in the front, because I be getting so hot and I be getting so irritated with the hair. I don't really put too much effort into my hair or anything. So it is what it is. But I'm ready. Today we're doing back and by. I would not be filming at the gym. Also, we don't take any like pre-workout or anything or any protein at this point. We're just starting. Eventually we'll ease our way into that, but for now, we're just in there raw, basically. Anxiety and vibes, that's all. Isn't my AirPod case so cute though? Got it from Burlington. It has like this little string so you don't lose it. It's like $7. Last night I was feeling like shit. Like after I hit the gym, I took a shower and I was like getting ready for bed. Oh my gosh, my nose was so congested, my nose was runny and all of that. So today we're actually going to be going to the mall. So we actually have a trip coming up We're going to Vegas again. I'm gonna be vlogging, of course, but we have to get a few things. It's gonna be hella hot over there, so we're gonna go look for some bathing suits and like swimming trunks and stuff. So there's a few things we still have to pick up, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I definitely regret wearing this fucking sweater though. It's hot as hell. Oh, C's candies. Open the door, please. Ladies first.
Vanilla and butterscotch. I was gonna double down on the vanilla,
The butterscotch is elite. She gave us samples of this caramel chocolate. Bro, I can't even speak. It's so chewy. I just got home. I want to show you guys the bathing suit that I got. We had gone to H&M first and we didn't find anything. So then we went to the Forever and this is where I got this set. It actually looks really good on, so I'm excited to wear it. So like I had briefly mentioned earlier, we are going on a trip next week. So we're going to be going to Vegas. So we're leaving on Monday morning and then we're not coming back till Wednesday night. We're only there for a couple days. It was a last minute trip. We just wanted to go out and do something. You know, we've been working so much. We're only going to be there for a few days. I ended up booking a room at this hotel. It was like a cheap ass room, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So the hotel is called the Horseshoe. So that hotel, it's like close to the strip. You can actually like walk to the strip from there. So I guess they're like renovating the whole hotel. So some of the rooms were a little more expensive because they were the new like renovated rooms. But the room that we got, it's called like the Jubilee or something like that. And so the room is like one of the older rooms. So it hasn't been renovated or anything, which is like totally fine. So we ended up getting a smoking room. It was super cheap. So we ended up paying about $31 per night, which is like not bad at all. That doesn't include the resort fee, which is like 90 bucks. And it doesn't include parking. We actually decided to rent a car. So I'm 26 now, but since I've turned 25, I have never rented a car. This is gonna be my first time. I've rented a U-Haul before, but not a car. So it's a little different. Got a really good deal on that too. So it was like unlimited miles to Vegas. In total, it came out to $177 for those 3 days. Unlimited miles. So really good. I don't know what kind of car we're gonna end up getting though, to be honest. Hopefully it's nothing too big because I'm not trying to spend too much on gas, but we'll see when the day comes. But like I said, I'm definitely going to be vlogging. I'm definitely going to be taking you guys with us. So it's going to be a real good time. Hi, Mommy. You look beautiful out there. Ooh, you like it outside? First things first, I have to wax my sideburns. Is this the same wax from 2020? I'll pop this in the microwave real quick and I'll be right back. I'm back. I heated her up. I stopped waxing my sideburns for a while. I didn't start doing it until recently again. I don't know. I just like kind of stopped taking care of myself, I guess. You know, that boyfriend air. Look at my hair, man. Sideburn is done. So the last time that I had to wax this, I had to wax way too much. So I don't know if you guys can notice, I left a little bit of hair here. And that's because it was looking weird last time. So I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. It's 8:26 right now. I'm about to start getting ready. We're gonna head to the gym. It's leg day today. As soon as I'm done with my workout, I'm gonna come back. I still have to wash my makeup brushes because I haven't washed them. They're dirty as fuck. For dinner. I'll see you guys in the Vegas vlog.